In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable offline access for Google Docs. This can be incredibly handy, especially if you're working remotely or don't always have a stable internet connection. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open the Google Doc that you plan to work on offline. Once it's open, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. This menu is essentially a hub for a variety of actions you can perform with your document, like downloading, renaming, or, in our case today, setting it up for offline use. Next, you should see an option that says Make Available Offline. Click on this option. This feature is a crucial step as it prepares your document to be accessible even when you're not connected to the internet. Google Docs does a fantastic job of storing necessary data on your device, so when you're offline, you can keep working uninterrupted and seamlessly. Once you've clicked Make Available Offline, a small window might pop up asking you to enable the offline mode officially. In this prompt, you'll see a button that says Turn On. It's essential to click Turn On here, because this action will establish the necessary settings, allowing Google Docs to sync the most updated version of your document to your device. After you've enabled offline access, you'll need to refresh or reload your browser to apply the changes successfully. So, head to your browser's toolbar and hit the Reload button. This step ensures that all the updates and settings are in place, and your document is saved and ready for offline access. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled offline access for your Google Doc. Now, remember that while you work offline, all your edits and updates will automatically sync back to the cloud the next time you connect to the internet. This seamless process means you don't have to worry about losing progress on your document. It's all taken care of behind the scenes by Google Docs. If you're planning to work offline often, a quick tip is to enable this feature for all your major files ahead of time, so you're always prepared. Just repeat these simple steps for each document you need offline. This setup can be a great peace of mind when you're traveling or in an area with unpredictable connectivity. That's it for today's tutorial on setting up Google Docs for offline use. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it simplifies your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!